Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering a quick question a lot of players ask: how many levels are there in Vita Mahjong? So here's the deal. Vita Mahjong isn't just a single fixed game. It's designed with hundreds of levels that keep unlocking as you progress. In fact, depending on the version you downloaded, there can be over 1000 levels to complete with new puzzles added through each update. You can find these updates regularly on your App Store for iOS and Play Store for your Android devices. You can play each level, and each level gets trickier with different tile layouts and patterns. So each level gets harder as you level up more. The levels come up eventually with each update as well. You will also find special stages, challenges and timed puzzles mixed in to give you a little bit more challenge in your journey to conquer the Vita Mahjong gaming. Some versions even have infinite play mode, so technically the fun never ends. You can simply keep on playing as much as you want and the levels will never run out, as you can see. So short answers, there are hundreds, even thousands of levels, and you will always have a new board waiting for you. If this cleared things up, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick answers, and let me know in the comment section what level you have reached so far. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.